Hello everyone. So today also we are going to look into some improvements of this Jupyter material. So now you can see here these storms that happens in the Jupyter. So you can see this turbulent effect on the storm, especially here and here, basically everywhere in various different degrees. So we have already worked on this material in this video, which I had done some time ago. So this would be an improvement on that to apply basically the things we did to the sun material yesterday will be applied here to improve the effect, improve the look. So let's see how to do this today. So the main difference we get is compared to the last material we had, it's just moving around this or panning the textures to give different layered movement on the surface, but now we actually see the turbulences on the surface. So that's basically what we are going to work on. Okay, so this is the original material we have. So here as you can see, we do see some movement on the surface, but still we don't see the actual turbulences. So we can clearly see it's just the texture is panning around. So let me duplicate this Jupyter and apply this material in place of the planet, and let's start editing this. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna bring in here is, if you remember yesterday we created this part. This part is what basically gives us a calculation that do a turbulent effect. So only this part. So basically what we are doing is we pan around to noise textures with the tiling and use it as exponent int of the Fresnel and put this Fresnel value as the UV. So that's how we get this turbulent effect on the surface. So let me copy this into here. Now this is what you see. So if I add this turbulent effect to this textures UV coordinate, you will immediately start seeing some turbulence. Let me just add a comment, turbulence UV. Let me just add it here. Now it's a total mess, as you can see. So, but if we damp this effect, like, let's add a multiplier here, maybe 0.01, and connect. You see, now the effect is reduced, but we do see, oh, it's not enough. 0.1, still too much. 0.01. Right, now we do see somewhat of a turbulence, but it kind of make the surface features of Jupiter too much deformed. So what if I reduce this tiling like 5? Yeah, now we somewhat see the turbulence effects. Maybe we should reduce the speed. This one also 0.1, 0.1. So now still we see the turbulence, but in a much reduced scale. See, it looks good. What else? So now to reduce these rotations, I think we can reduce these speeds. This one 0.3 and this one 0.002. So now it's not that slow still. But if I further reduce this, wait, hold on. Is the moment speed mainly coming here? Ah, yeah. Okay. So this is how it looks now. Is it good enough? Shall we try one more thing? Let's add this turbulence effect here also. Just curious what would happen. Not exactly having a plan, just to see what happens. Well, I'm not really sure I see any noticeable changes, but yeah, maybe there are some subtle changes. Let's check here. This looks cool. See? Okay. So I'm gonna stop this episode right here. And thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.